Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled chili peppers. Pickling is a fantastic way to preserve the vibrant flavor and heat of your favorite chilies, extending their enjoyment for many months. We'll walk through each step, from selecting and preparing your peppers to crafting the perfect brine and properly sealing your jars. Get ready to transform fresh peppers into a delicious, tangy, and spicy condiment that's perfect for adding a kick to any meal. To begin, select about 1 pound of fresh, firm chili peppers. Jalapenos or serranos work wonderfully. For the brine, you'll need 2 cups of white vinegar and 2 cups of water. Also, have 2 tablespoons of pickling salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar ready. Consider adding aromatics like 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, or a few sprigs of fresh dill for extra flavor. Ensure all your equipment is clean and sterilized. First, wash and slice your chili peppers into uniform rings, or you can leave smaller peppers whole. Tightly pack these prepared peppers into clean, sterilized pint-sized jars, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace. Next, combine the 2 cups of white vinegar, 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of pickling salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 5 minutes, ensuring the salt and sugar are completely dissolved. Once your brine is ready, carefully pour the hot liquid over the packed peppers, ensuring they are fully submerged. Use a clean knife or chopstick to remove any trapped air bubbles. Wipe the jar rims clean and secure them with 2-piece canning lids. Process the jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes to create a proper seal. Allow the jars to cool completely, then store them in a cool, dark place for at least 2 weeks before opening and enjoying your delicious homemade pickled chili peppers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.